Hello, I wanted to show you what is possible to do with glow-in-the-dark and UV painting and thermochrome. I have just completely fallen in love with these effects. This is the UV light that hits it. That means I can turn off all the other lights and it glows under a black light, and you'll see these colors here are my UV colors. If I turn off that though, I have also used my glow-in-the-dark colors to make it shift. It's actually a winter painting, but it needs to be charged quite a lot to actually show the snow here. And then if we turn this on again and we turn the normal light on again, we have the UV version and the normal version. I have painted this with thermochrome. So heat reactive pigments, they don't change color, but what they do is that they go from one color to invisible. So I can show it here. I have added two colors together. And if I warm this up, I added orange into green, orange thermochrome. The orange thermochrome will disappear. And then the only color that remains, here it's starting to change into 25 degrees Celsius. It changes into a green color instead. Now, this is what I've done on this entire painting. So let's heat up the painting. I'm going to first just remove the clouds. Half of the clouds are painted with thermochrome, half of them without. If I turn off the UV light, it might be better to see it. And you can see the clouds then disappear in warmth, and the entire painting has an orange thermochrome layer so that it turns from autumn to spring when it gets warm in the room. And I feel it just has a different kind of magic. It will kind of start to subtly turn throughout the day when the temperature rises, and then it goes back again when it's cold. So I have fallen completely in love with these colors, and I add them into everything I do. So that's a little bit of a look into a 4-stage oil painting.